Good afternoon, Leonelita.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Leonelita Urbano Bornel, ma'am. I'm 35 years old and I got married to George Bornel. I have 4 children, 3 girls and 1 boy, ma'am. That's all.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I work as a maid because I want to help my family, ma'am. That's all.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I choose Malaysia because it is near in the Philippines. That's all,
Okay,
ma'am.
how are you qualified for this job?
I qualified for this job, ma'am, because I have a local experience here in the Philippines. That's all,
Okay,
ma'am.
may I know what is your educational level?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
A plain housewife,
Okay,
ma'am.
have you worked abroad before?
No,
Okay, do
ma'am.
you have experience of taking care of baby? Whose baby you
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
care of?
My
Okay.
kids, ma'am.
How about elderly people? Whose
Yes,
elderly
ma'am.
people you taking care of?
My
Okay.
grandmother,
How old
ma'am.
are they?
90 years old,
Okay.
ma'am.
Do you have any other special skills?
My special skills,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am. Cooking, gardening, washing clothes, and carrying a
Okay. Are
baby,
you
ma'am.
willing to
That's
learn
all.
new skills? Okay. Currently,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
still working now? Okay. Do you know how to
No,
cook?
ma'am.
What sort of food can you
Yes,
cook?
ma'am.
Like what?
Filipino dishes, ma'am. La
Mm-hmm.
like pinakbet, adobo, sinigang.
Okay. Are you aware
That's
that you
all,
will
ma'am.
have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking? Okay. From all the house
Yes,
chores,
ma'am.
which do you like most? Okay. If ever you were
Cleaning,
selected to
ma'am.
work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids? Okay. How much is
My
the salary
husband,
as a
ma'am.
maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand? Okay. What is the two
1,200
rules
ringgit,
agency
ma'am.
have fixed in Malaysia?
The two rules in Malaysia, ma'am. No
Okay.
cell
How many
phones,
years is the contract in
no
Malaysia
day
as
off.
you agreed? Okay. Can you describe for me your
2 years,
ethics?
ma'am. I'm responsible. You can trust me. Hardworking. Um, and uh,
Okay. How
and
can you assure to us that
honest,
you will
ma'am.
work
That's
hard in
all.
Malaysia? How can you assure to us that you will work
Can
hard
you
in
repeat,
Malaysia?
ma'am?
Okay. Do you really
I
understand
finished
of
my
the rules
contract,
and
ma'am.
regulations of the agency? Okay. Do you pay any placement fee for you to
Yes,
come to
ma'am.
Malaysia to work as a maid? Okay. Are you medically fit?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you in any medication?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Leoneleta, we have finished our question
No,
section. Let's
ma'am.
go to case study. I have two case studies for you and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay? Okay, number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within six
Yes,
months,
ma'am.
if ever any of your family member passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back? Okay, number two.
I will
Once you
continue
reach
to finish
Malaysia,
my
let's
contract,
say if you
ma'am.
don't like to work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that? Okay, Miss Lineta, what do you want to tell to your
I
employer who
agree,
watching
ma'am.
your video right now?
Ma'am, sir, please choose me. You can trust me. I'm honest, hardworking, and I'm, uh,
That's all. Okay. Thank you very much, Lorinita.
I'm
We will
kind.
update your agency if
That's
there's
all,
any
ma'am.
selection made by the employer.